Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notification bells, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we are going to be in our yard.
What's up everybody? I'm back out in my yard today, and it's October 2nd, which in Florida means yesterday I could have thrown out fertilizer. I'm a little day late, but hey, whatever. Been going back and forth. I've got a bag of Milorganite and I got a bag of something special, and I think I'm just gonna skip the Milo and go right to the heavy hitter. I'm also gonna spray some aerate in the back. Just walking around, I haven't touched it, but just kind of walking, it just feels really tough. So I think maybe spraying some aerate will help. Carbon-based lawn fertilizer. CX DIY. Anyways, 3 pounds for 1,000. I'll do 6 pounds there. I'll do the spreader. I'll do 1,000 there because I want to make sure it's accurate. And I'll put another 3 pounds and do the back. And I'll water in. I believe I water it in. You always water it in. I water it in. While I'm watering the front, I'll do a little bit. I'll grab the aerate in the can, spray it back. Hopefully that'll soften the soil up a little bit. Maybe even do some humic. If I'm busting it out, might as well do everything. I don't know. I'll check the guide, see what I should do. So anyways. Okay, so if I did this right, I should have a pound left over. So I did 2,000 square feet. I did 7 pounds because I want 1 left over because it's hard to empty the tank. The bucket is a pound, so this should be 2 pounds. Hey, shout out to Matilda Jane. My wife sells this and I took her scale. Haha. I'll take it. I will take it. So that's how we don't waste this stuff. Tracks line up next time. There we go. All right. If you see me jump like scared out of my skin, there's a corn snake out here the other day. I let them live because the non-venomous ones, I let them live, but snakes still scare the living crap out of me. I'll probably scream like a little girl. So hopefully he doesn't make an appearance because I don't want him on my video. Okay, so we applied to today. Notes, what did you apply? Lawn fertilizer. Carbon X DL. Boom. There it is. Alright. So, second time with the Field King. I think I learned that I need to let the pressure build up, because that's why it made that god-awful noise the entire time I was spraying last time, because I didn't give it a chance. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're done with that. I've got a lot of work to do with my my sprayer. I'm getting the grass pretty nice, as you can see. You see some aerate spray in there, but I gotta work on my spray pattern with my shoes, because I thought I'd stubbed my toe or something. It's been black for a couple weeks now, and apparently it was just me and my poor spraying. So anyways, there's that joys of being a DIY beginner. So sorry, just looking up at my tree. Looks nice, but man, those leaves are about to be a pain in the rear. Okay, so Carbonex DIY, entire yard, 5,000 square feet of it anyways. Or 4,000 square feet. Yeah, because I'm not doing those nasty weeds over there, that'd be dumb. Aerate, 6 ounces per 1,000. I'll be sure to add that to the app. Did that pretty much to the back right here. Hopefully some of these stolons will start running. Speaking of stolons, man, I gotta show you this this one right here. You know, I just put it up against the yard, but man, look at this runner. Oh baby, man, if he can do his thing and just take over, that'd be fine. I won't have to buy any sod. I'm probably still gonna do it. You know, I like punishment projects, whatever. So anyways, so yeah, that's it. Gonna call it a day there and enjoy the rest of my my weekend. Yeah, anything else? I don't know. Enjoy the mow. That's not my line, I can't say that. My hat says enjoy the mow. New merch, man. I'm a sucker for merch and swag and stickers and lawn equipment, fertilizers, herbicides, fungicides, cellulose, sedge. Anyway, sorry, getting off track. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what I did wrong. Let me know what I can do better. Hey, let me know if you're just enjoying it. Always open to tips. Anything I can do better, I want to do better, because I still have a lawn service for the front. I'm gonna see if they put pre-emergent down. They come in like 2 weeks. Soil temp should be right. I want to see what they do. If they don't do it, they're done, and I'm taking over, because they come once a month, and I'm paying roughly 50 bucks for it. And I'm out in my yard every other week, every week, something like that. So, you know, I feel like with the right stuff, I can do this. And that's where I want to be. I just want to be a little more confident. So that's why I took over the back, to make sure that, hey, I could actually keep grass. I don't know if you've seen my picture from last year, but I was doing terrible because I didn't know anything about St. Augustine. I've been a centipede guy, and I haven't been in Florida my entire life. So this is all new to me. So anyways, yeah, that's me going on a rant, like always at the end. But anyways, yeah, like, comment, let me know, help me out, whatever, and enjoy your weekend. Thanks.